Do you know the warning signs of fatty liver disease? This condition, often silent in its early stages, is much more common than most people realize. Fatty liver disease occurs when too much fat builds up in liver cells. While it's normal for your liver to contain some fat, an excess can lead to inflammation, which in turn can cause liver damage. The prevalence of fatty liver disease is increasing worldwide, affecting about 1 in 4 people globally. It's a major public health concern because if left unchecked, it can progress to more serious liver conditions like cirrhosis or liver cancer. Recognizing the warning signs of fatty liver disease is paramount. These signs can be subtle and easily dismissed, making awareness all the more crucial. They range from fatigue and discomfort in the upper right abdomen to more serious symptoms like jaundice. Understanding these signs can be the first step to reversing the condition and promoting longevity. The signs of fatty liver disease can be subtle, but crucial to recognize. Let's delve into some of them. So, what might be the first whisper of fatty liver disease? Often, it is persistent fatigue. Yes, we all feel tired from time to time, but this is a different kind of tiredness. It's a deep-seated fatigue that doesn't go away with a good night's sleep. This happens because your liver is working overtime to break down the excess fat, leaving you feeling drained and lethargic. Moving on to the second sign, we have abdominal discomfort. This is not your average tummy ache. It's a persistent pain or discomfort in the upper right side of your abdomen, right where your liver sits. This discomfort arises as the liver enlarges due to excessive fat accumulation, causing it to press against other organs and the abdominal wall. But what about the third sign? That would be unexplained weight loss. This may sound counterintuitive, but it's a common symptom of fatty liver disease. When the liver is overwhelmed with fat, it struggles to perform its job efficiently, including metabolizing nutrients from the food you eat. As a result, even if you're eating normally, you might start to lose weight without trying. It's important to understand that this isn't healthy weight loss. It's a sign that your body isn't getting the nutrition it needs to function properly. In isolation, these symptoms could be attributed to a variety of conditions, or even just daily life. We've all felt tired, had a stomach ache, or seen our weight fluctuate. But when these symptoms persist, especially in combination, it's time to take notice. It's time to listen to the whispers of your body and not wait until they become shouts. These signs might seem common, but when occurring together, they could be signaling a deeper issue. The warning signs don't stop there. Paying attention to your body could be the key to early detection. Let's delve deeper into other warning signs. Have you noticed a yellowish tinge to your skin or the whites of your eyes? This could be a sign of jaundice, a condition often associated with liver disease. The liver's job is to filter out waste products from your blood. When it's not functioning properly, a substance called bilirubin builds up in the bloodstream, causing your skin and eyes to take on a yellow hue. Then there's edema, a common symptom of advanced liver disease. This is when fluid builds up in your body, causing swelling, often in your legs and abdomen. When your liver isn't working as it should, it struggles to produce enough protein to hold fluid in the blood vessels. As a result, fluid leaks out and accumulates in surrounding tissues. You might also experience a loss of appetite or sudden weight loss. Your liver plays a crucial role in digestion, helping to metabolize fats and carbohydrates. So when it's not up to par, your appetite can wane, or you might lose weight without trying. Another sign is easy bruising. Your liver produces proteins needed for blood clotting. If it's damaged, it might not make enough of these clotting factors, leading to bruising or bleeding that doesn't stop as quickly as it should. Lastly, be aware of changes in the color of your stool or urine. Your liver produces bile, which helps digest fats and gives stool its brown color. If your liver is not producing enough bile, your stool might be pale or clay-colored. On the flip side, if your liver isn't clearing bilirubin properly, your urine can become dark. These are just some of the signs that your liver might be struggling. Of course, many of these symptoms can also be caused by other conditions, so it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional if you're experiencing any of these issues. Recognizing these signs can prompt you to seek medical attention sooner, potentially preventing further damage to your liver. Early detection of fatty liver disease can significantly impact your health journey. This statement holds a power that can't be overstated. When it comes to our health, timing is everything. Detecting fatty liver disease early means you're catching it at a stage where it's often reversible. Imagine your liver as a bustling city. When fatty liver disease moves in, it's like a slow-moving storm, gradually disrupting the city's function. Left unchecked, this storm can escalate, turning into a damaging hurricane in the form of cirrhosis or liver cancer. But if you catch this storm early, while it's still gathering strength, you can take steps to disperse it. You can make lifestyle changes, modify your diet, or start medication under the guidance of your healthcare provider. This is the power of early detection. It gives you a fighting chance against the storm. The sooner you detect fatty liver disease, the more options you have to manage and potentially reverse it. You've recognized the signs, so what's next? Can you reverse fatty liver disease? Absolutely. While there's no magic bullet, a blend of lifestyle modifications can certainly help manage and even reverse the condition. The first step is to revamp your diet. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-dense foods provide the essential vitamins and minerals your liver needs to function optimally and repair itself. Stay clear of saturated fats, refined sugars, and processed foods, which can exacerbate fatty liver disease. Instead, incorporate healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil into your diet. They help in reducing inflammation and promoting liver health. Secondly, regular physical activity is crucial. Even moderate exercise such as brisk walking or cycling for 30 minutes a day can help reduce fat in the liver. Exercise not only burns triglycerides for fuel but can also help in maintaining a healthy weight. And speaking of weight, shedding those extra pounds can significantly improve liver function. But remember, slow and steady wins the race. A sudden and drastic weight loss can lead to an unhealthy surge in liver enzymes. Additionally, limiting alcohol intake is vital. Even if your fatty liver disease isn't linked to alcohol, heavy or chronic drinking can cause further damage to your liver. This brings us to the importance of regular medical checkups. Consistent monitoring can help assess the progression or regression of the disease and adjust your treatment plan accordingly. Your healthcare provider may recommend medications or supplements that can aid in managing the disease. Finally, remember to stay hydrated. Water plays a vital role in flushing out toxins from the body, supporting overall liver health. These steps, when combined, form a powerful strategy to combat fatty liver disease. It's not about a quick fix, but a lifestyle overhaul aimed at long-term health and wellness. With consistent effort and a proactive approach, you can manage and potentially reverse fatty liver disease. Your liver is resilient, and with the right care, it can bounce back. Remember, every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards reversing fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease doesn't have to be a life sentence. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned today. We've uncovered the warning signs, the fatigue, the discomfort, the unexplained weight changes. We've emphasized the critical importance of early detection and the remarkable capacity our bodies have to heal when we take the right steps. But knowledge is just the first step. It's what we do with this knowledge that truly matters. If you recognize any of these signs in your own life, I encourage you not to ignore them. Seek medical advice. Prioritize your health, because no matter how busy our lives get, there's nothing more important than taking care of our bodies. You have the power to reverse fatty liver disease and to enhance your longevity. You have the power to take control of your health. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Remember, your health is in your hands. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay healthy.